In this video I'm gonna teach you how to cut a text in half. You can find the project file in the description. Making a new After Effects tutorial for each day of the year, day 20 of 365. First we are going to recompose our text, so we are able to keep the animation but changing the text. So recompose, call this text, and now grab the pen tool and we are going to do the cut of our layer. Press G, go to one end, cut it in half, and now close the path. There you go. So we have one side. Let's duplicate the layer, select the layer below, go to the masks and press here to invert the mask. Okay, there you have it. If you see this cut at the middle, we have to decrease the mask expansion for something like 1 or 2 pixels. There's no line anymore. Now go to the above layer and let's add a drop shadow effect. Increase the distance a little bit, increase the softness, and increase the opacity to 100%. And change the direction too. Now it's time to animate it. Go here to project and let's grab the text composition and drag it here above all the layers. We're going to add a effect linear wipe. Okay, I'm gonna solo this layer so you can see what does this effect. It basically does this, just like cut the layer, and you have a parameter here for the feather. So we are going to use this to animate the cut. Stop soloing the layer, make a keyframe for transition completion, go a little forward, less than a second I think, and move it to 100. Now you can preview it. To not have this sharp edge, we are going to increase the feather. So increase it until you see it's good, like that. And now let's see. There you go. Okay, and to make the animation better, grab the last keyframe and easy with F9, like that. You can do it even faster, so let's easy this keyframe too. Grab the last keyframe, go to the graph editor and move the handle all the way to 100%. Now see the animation. It's too fast, so I'm gonna move it forward. Something like that. We can also separate a little bit the layer here for the cut, so let's grab this layer below, go forward and move a little bit the mask here to separate it even more, like that. Now we have this. And we can separate the layers, separating the position. So go here to the second and the third layer and let's animate its position. So go at the beginning, press P, click the stopwatch for the second and the third layer. Go forward when the cut is complete. Here you have to move it a little bit. There you go. Easy is the first keyframe, easy is the second keyframe, and move the handle all the way to 100. Like that. And let's move this keyframe a little forward in time, so it takes more time. And this a little late in time, like there. Okay, here you have the cut. To keep the shadow, you can also animate the shadow. Animate here the distance of the shadow. In this first keyframe for position, go to the last position keyframe and increase it a little bit. Increase it by 5. Easy is the keyframes. Go to the last keyframe, move the handle to 100%, and you can see the animation. And you see, as this is a composition, you can easily change the text, so whatever text you want to put here, and this effect will still working. You just have to adjust these masks, making it a little bigger, here too. And there you have it. You have this easy cut effect with any text you want. You can find this project file in the description if you want to download it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya!